So, hi, I'm Noah, and yeah, not quite Sashka. And over the last few days, you've heard a lot about how to protect yourself and various attacks, etc., and all these great strategies. And I want to just give a little talk that's sort of motivational, that gives you a really good emotional reason to do so as well. So here's killing with keyboards. So I've done a bunch of stuff, Hacken, Oasis, Cyber Capital, some open source stuff, etc. But let's just get into story time because time is short. So this is Sashko. He's like he's a Ukrainian engineer working at Kovchek Systems, and that's like a, let's say, hardware secure devices company, something like that. And he's a chill guy. He's good at his job, and he has a happy little family, and he doesn't do anything particularly unusual. Except that from time to time, he will chat with other security professionals and follow up on what's new in the field. He usually stays anonymous under like a little pseudonym. And blink and you'll miss him, but he does pop in from time to time with useful little tips, etc. In his field. He's well respected and considered helpful by his peers. And now, as every good story needs to have a little bit of drama, there's a girl